Hello kids, welcome back to my channel Learn with Pahadi. Today we are learning alphabet and numbers. This is our colors. Red color, orange color, sky blue color, green color, brown color, pink color, dark green color, black color, blue color, purple color, yellow color, baby pink color. A for apple, 1. B for ball, 2. C for cat, 3. D for dog, 4. E for elephant, 5. F for fish, 6. G for grapes, 7. H for horse, 8. I for ice cream, 9. J for joker, 10.